Hey, I'm Andrea, and this is the Usborne illustrated Odyssey, The Cyclops. With a crash that shook the ground, 6 whole pine trees came rolling inside the cave. We all leapt to our feet and fled to the back wall, away from the logs, which rolled to a halt near the fire. Next, a flock of giant sheep came crowding into the cave. They trotted straight past us into empty stalls, as if they did the same thing every day of their lives. Then the cave went dark, and we looked back to see a giant figure blocking the entrance. He was more like a mountain than a man. A forest of hair covered his body. His bald head jutted up like a brutal stone peak. But most terrifying of all was the fact that he had only one eye, round and glaring, right in the middle of his ugly forehead. Before we could even think about fleeing, the monster stepped into the cave, turned, and rolled a boulder across the entrance. It was a colossal rock, the size of a house. A whole herd of strong oxen couldn't have dragged it away, let alone a dozen men. We were trapped. "Strangers," roared the giant. "Who are you, and how did you get here?" The booming voice and the creature's hideous face filled everyone with panic. I could feel the lads trembling beside me, but I still hoped that our host would be kinder than he looked. So, have you heard of the Cyclops before? And is the Cyclops going to be kind to his guests?